Hey, what's going on, world? ANZD here, back at you with another video. Remember earlier I told you guys I've been doing some research, trying to come across more websites, free websites that we can use in order to create an account. Do we have to do whatever they're doing, task, creating another life, doing ads, clicking on ads, you're earning points. You can convert those points into cash. Listen up, ladies and gentlemen. I've been doing a lot of research, trying to find out as much website as possible that's free that we can have access to in order to generate some extra cash flow. Now, I came across this new website, and this website it's incredible. It's like, I think it's probably it's like a metaverse type website. If you have not got introduced to the metaverse, this will be a good way to get introduced to the metaverse. And what I'm talking about is it's a website where you get to create a whole second life, a whole nother life within the metaverse world. And this second life, you can also generate money. You can build a business. You can just do a wide variety of things. The same thing that you're doing in your life right now, and say things is not working out, say you got laid off, or say you're not making as much fun as you want, you can go into this world. It's called Second Life. You can go into the Second Life world, create an account, and just live a second life. Other than your regular life, you can also live a second life. And in the second life, you can get another job, you can create a business, you can generate money, you can buy things, you can shop, you can create a second life, like it's called. So I came across this website. Some other people introduced me to it, so I've been doing some research, plugging into it. And what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to dive into the internet. I'm going to check out this website. I'm going to talk a little bit more about how the second life can create more money for your first life, for your current life. So check this out. We're going to dive into the internet right now, and we're going to explore this new second life in this new metaverse world. All right, check it out. Stay tuned. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so this is the website I'm talking about. It's called Second Life, secondlife.com, and you can go here and explore, discover, and create a whole new world, a whole new second world. And a new world is waiting for you, so you can create a whole new world. It's a virtual reality type game, online gaming system. It's not a video game. It's like I said, it's a virtual reality online project. I'm gonna say a project. And you can go here and like you can see the different things you can download. I guess download it to your tablet, to your smart device. You can check out the marketplace, language, different language and stuff like that. So it's a worldwide thing, and it creates community. You create community, create a whole nother world. So I'm gonna scroll down, give you some more information about it. So let's see. Expect the unexpected. With thousands of virtual experiences and communities, you'll never run out of places to explore and people to meet. Music, clubs, role-playing communities, virtual cinemas, and more. Second Life is always wonderful, sometimes weird, and 100% wow worthy. That's right. So if you want some more information about exploring Second Life, you can get exploring right now. You can explore now. And people also is using it for remote meeting. That's right. So you create an avatar, and you can use it for remote meetings. Say, things is going on with the pandemic and all type of stuff. You can hit up Second Life, create an account on Second Life, and you can do remote meetings, make meetings fun again with virtual hangout spaces, classes, and conferences for over a decade. This company been around for more than a decade. And like you see, it says for over decades, leading companies and educators have trusted Second Life for branded social spaces or event remote meeting. That's great. So you see, instead of going out in the public, like right now, different things going on. We got different viruses and stuff like that. So people's gonna be more in the house and basically doing stuff online. So imagine the possibilities, right? You can also shop the Second Life marketplace to discover millions of items, including virtual fashion, home decor, and more. Create and monetize. That's right. That's the important part. Create and monetize your own creations to earn real profits in the virtual economy. And how that works out now is you can even create your own store. So let me see. I'm gonna go down. Find your community. So find your community. Second Life is an inclusive haven of self-expression, whether you seek to share your story or connect with other people who are going through similar experience as you. Check out this brand new resource to learn more about different communities. So people have the same ideology, same thoughts and like that. You can connect to them. Also, you can come down here. You got Second Life, Marketplace, Enterprise Education, Premium, Blog. You can partner with them. Business development, you can do an affiliate program. Let me check on the affiliate program. So boom, you can also, Second Life affiliate program, get paid to do what you love by featuring Second Life on your website. So in Second Life, you can even create a website, you can create your own TV show, and you can create advertisement. The advertisement could be your affiliate link for people to sign up for Second Life. So other than getting money just through the affiliate link, I'm gonna go back to the marketplace where they say that you can create your own store, your own product. So I'm gonna go to the marketplace and look at that. It's like you shopping on Amazon or eBay and stuff like that. So you have different items for your avatar, different items. You have the marketplace. So look, so you got the marketplace. You can create your own products and sell them on the marketplace. And what is it called? Like lending, something like that. The currency is called, that's the L, money you see right there. So you can sell your products, make your products, sell your products in your store or online. And when you generate these Lendix, what is it called? Lendix, yeah, it's called Lendix or something like that. When you generate these Lendix, you can also cash them out into fiat currency, into US dollars, and cash them out. So that's another way you can generate money. So you can also generate by creating podcasts, TV shows, and getting advertisement on those things within the virtual reality store. So there's some other products and things like that. And yeah, so making money with Second Life. You can also do some more research. That's a Lendex. So when you sell your items in the Lendex, in the virtual reality store, or kind of like a metaverse. It's an introduction to metaverse. It's been around for years, so it's kind of how the metaverse would be operating, because they also have like metaverse worlds and community within the Second Life. So Second Life, you go Lendex, currency exchange. If you're selling the products, you accumulate Lendex, and you go to the Lendex currency exchange and trade those Lendex out for USD, or other currencies. I believe they have cryptocurrencies on there as well. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you got some value out of this. And this is the Second Life. You can go to the Second Life. They have the marketplace, like I said. They have the affiliate, and as well as you creating your own community and stores and whatever you want to do. So go to Second Life. Things not really going so well, you can always create a Second Life. Once again, it's Ainsley D. Hope you got some value out of this. And go ahead and check out the Second Life and let me know what you think in the comments. All right, talk to you later. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, so how was that experience? Crazy experience, right? So what I want y'all to do now, if you're more interested, go ahead, click the link below. You can also go ahead, create your account, set up your account, and to the Second Life. Get involved with the Second Life. Get involved with the Metaverse. It's a new world, part of the Web 3.0 that's going to be going along, blockchain technology, a whole new world, along with this reset stuff and a lot of other things. So we just got to stay up on it, stay on point with it, and keep going with the flow, keep surfing with the waves. Whichever the wave go, we're going to surf with it. So I'm not even a surfer, but I don't even know what I'm talking about. But I kind of like that analogy. I think it's kind of an analogy. I kind of like that analogy. Wait, is it called analogy? Well, all right, it's called analogy, I think. But ladies and gentlemen, it's a wide variety of ways out there, especially on the internet land, metaverse, Web 3.0, where you can generate some extra cash flow, put these extra cash flow to some assets, to some digital assets, to some gold if you want to do gold, silver, or whatever like that. So times has changed. We got to get on it. I'm going to do some more videos. I got some videos coming up on how you can save more money on gas, how you can get cash back on spending money on gas, how you can get more fuel for your gas, a wide variety of things, just different ways to create cash flows, different ways to hedge this inflation, and just be ready for the great reset. Like they talking about, it's a reset, a great reset that's going to be happening, and we have to be involved. Don't get locked out. Once again, this is Ainsley D. Hope you got some value out of this, and I'll see you next time. Peace.